Since 2012, i2R has been a trusted name in the CNC world, delivering precision machines to makers, hobbyists, and small businesses across the globe. Now i2R's education division has joined forces with Simply CNC to form Simply Technologies Group, a company dedicated to transforming CNC education. With over 3,500 schools already supported worldwide, Simply Technologies is bringing fully assembled, classroom-ready CNC machines and lifetime support for both hardware and software. Each education package includes access to Empowered Academy, our exclusive training platform for teachers, featuring certification programs, editable lesson plans, and turnkey presentations, designed to make CNC integration easy, effective, and inspiring. Together, we are helping schools prepare the next generation of engineers, designers, and creators with the tools, training, and support they need to thrive.